Moving on, adventure sports certainly draws the attention of the youth, and now Bengaloreans have their very own recreational weekend adventure sports training. Take a look as to what it is.
A scenic view of greenery and hillocks. A group of people standing on a rock. Are you wondering what exactly they are doing? This is what the group you saw on your screens was doing. Many adventure enthusiasts took up this sport as a weekend recreation. From children to youth to grown-ups, everybody was seen sweating it out at Thurahalli on the outskirts of Bengaluru. Training was given to participants on rock climbing. After working hard, it was just smiles all around. The participants felt that this sport makes a perfect weekend recreational activity. They further add that it's an experience in which enjoyment is guaranteed.
And this is my first experience here. And let's say this is one of the tiring experiences that I've ever done. And if anybody's interested in this, make sure that you guys are ready for your nails to be gone. But overall, it teaches you how to actually have there's actually a lot of logic and engineering required. Although people think it's very difficult, but at the end of the day, yeah, you're going to enjoy the experience. That's going to be a really beautiful experience.
More than 30 people participated in the event. While beginners struggled to climb the slippery terrain, the experienced conquered it with ease. The event was organized by Base Camp Adventures. Trainers, ensuring the safety of the trainees, made sure they learned the art of rock climbing. They say that the sport is not only fun but also increases the confidence of participants.
We organize a lot of adventure activities across India and Nepal. Weekends we do a lot of treks and rock climbing activities. Specifically, we do one program called Learn Rock Climbing Camp, which is a half-a-day program in Thurahalli, where we focus on developing adventure-based skills and also building the confidence among the youngsters. The age group vary from 4 years to 65 years. Anybody can come in, spend around 5-6 hours, learn the basics of rock climbing, rappelling activity. It's fun-based as well as it will help them to build the confidence and also ensure that they start loving outdoor activities.
Adventure sports such as this is also fast catching up with the youth. Events such as this will certainly give Bengalurians a good weekend break from the fast-paced life in the Silicon City. For kids too, this comes as a good recreation from their busy school schedules. Manjunath, News 9, Bannerghatta.